Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is me, NomNomNom069, returning with another HTML tutorial. In today's HTML tutorial, we will be doing lists. And lists are really simple. Let's open up Word, just to give you an example of what a list is. So, lists in HTML are just the same as they are in Microsoft Word. We do lists here. We have a bulleted list. We have item 1, item 2, item 3. All in bulleted list. This is an unordered list. That's going to become important in a second when we're actually doing the HTML. And we can do 1, 2, 3. We can do ordered list. Hey, yo, goodbye. We can do all those. We can make lists just like this in HTML, and it's pretty simple actually. It's not as clean as you would do in Microsoft Word, but of course nothing in HTML is. But you can add list as simply as you can in Microsoft Word in HTML. So let's start off by creating a new Notepad++ document, and you can do this in Notepad. Just remember to save it as .html. You can write this in any text editor. Actually, just save it as .html, and it'll run just fine up in your web browser. So first thing first, I'm gonna set the language to HTML, so that way I can get all like the IntelliSense done. And we'll do doc type HTML at the top, and I don't go through this every time we insult your intelligence. We put it down so that way we can remember it and always know what it is, because that's sometimes the problem I have with C++ SDL applications, is I forget what the entrance to the program, like the parameters to that main function are when you're using SDL and the Win API. Anyways, so doc type HTML, opening HTML, ending HTML tag, and within there we have our head, our ending head tag, our body, and our ending body tag. And so within our head, we'll give this page a title, and we'll call it Fun with Lists, and slash title. Now within our body is where we're actually going to put the list. Now there are two kinds of lists. There are unordered lists, which use the dots, the colons, not colons, bullets. They use bullets by default. You can change that and play around with it, but we're not going to go into that this tutorial. And there are ordered lists. They go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can change that to like Roman numerals and stuff, and A, B, and C. But we're not going to go into that in this tutorial. We're just going to be doing default lists, okay? Just how they come default. So let's make an unordered list first, UL, and we'll call it and that's all you need. And you need an ending UL tag below it. Now list creates a list, but we need to actually put stuff within our list. And what is in lists? List items are within lists. So we just put the tag li, and we can do item 1 and item 1 and slash li. So we have our unordered list and our first list item, and I'll just copy and paste it 2 more times and rename them. So we have item 1, 2, and 3 that are all list items in this. So we'll Control S, save it to my Dropbox, wherever that is. And I'll go through my C users, owner. Where's my Dropbox? There it is. And there should be HTML tutorials. Yep. And this will be tutorial for lists. Saved in there, and we'll just call it index.html. Save that, and now we're gonna go run launch in Chrome. That's where I like to use it. And there's an unordered list that we created, item 1, 2, and 3. Now let's make an ordered list. It's essentially the same thing, but all we do is change it from a UL to an OL. So it'll be OL/OL, and then we can just copy in these list items here and paste them in. Now if we save this, go into Firefox and refresh, we have an ordered list. Items 1, 2, and 3 are item 1, 2, and 3. And you can put lists within lists. So like, say if I wanted, I could take this ordered list, cut it here, and between item 2 and 3 I could paste that ordered list. I don't remember to properly indent your stuff, and we could save it. And if we rerun it in here, we could put a list within inside a list. So you could almost make an outline if you wanted. Well, you could. Yeah, not if you wanted. You could do it. So this is basically what you do with lists. This is how they work. In later tutorials, we will be getting in how to format the list, so that if you wanted your ordered list to have Roman numerals instead of 1, 2, or 3, you could do that, and your unordered list to have like stars. We could even format the unordered list to have like a picture, like of like a smiley face, instead of the bullets. So this is your basic list. That's how you do them. Just OL/OL for ordered, UL/UL for unordered, and just put as many list items in there as you want. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you guys later.